All right, this is my neighbor's trimmer, and he was trying to get it started, and he couldn't get it started. So I thought that maybe, because it smelled flooded, and I thought that maybe, it needed just a carb service. But then I went to pull out the spark plug, and that's what I got. So I'm going to put a new fuel filter in it without the dog hair on it, and a new spark plug. We're going to see if it starts up. All right, and you can see there's a new fuel filter in this. Shove it back so it's at the back side. All right. All you got to do to get these out, you just get a pick and you just reach in and you grab the fuel line and pull this out and change its fuel filters. I should change it after every season, and it just goes back in. All right, close that up. All right. New spark plug. All right. So get my gloved hand out of the way. Trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time. So you always start the spark plug in finger tight, because it's really easy to cross thread. There we go. And we want it pretty snug. All right, let's see if it starts up. And there you go. Nothing wrong with that.